Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Sanur area on 5 November 2021. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Sanur area on early November 2021. And also, I will explore Sindhu Beach Street because there is one request from my viewers. They want to know the situation at the moment in Sindhu Beach Hotel. Okay guys, now we are in Danau Poso Street, south of Sanur area. Okay, at the front, I will turn right to explore Danau Tamblingan Street. Yeah, now we are in Danau Tamblingan Street. And if you see the left side, there is one restaurant we call Musimo. It's very famous restaurant and always busy right there. A lot of tourists and domestic tourism, they buy the food from this restaurant because it's very famous and very nice taste right there. Okay, we continue driving in Danau Tamblingan Street. If you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. I mean, it's very blue sky, very hot today actually. And I try to make a video by motorbike because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Sanur area. Because in this video, I make video around 8 minutes without skip. Start from Danau Tamblingan Street until to Sindhu Beach Street. So this area look a bit busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car and motorbike parking in this area, and also the car drive around in this area. You see left side, there is a taxi. In this area, there is a lot of taxi waiting for the customer because in this area there is a lot of big hotels. And the east side, I mean in the right side, there's a lot of big hotel and the hotel is connecting by the beach. So that's why in this area there is a lot of taxi waiting for the customer. And also in this area it's not so hot because there is a lot of big tree. So the driver waiting under the shade. Is anyone ever been this area before? Yeah, it looks so stranger for you this time. I mean, usually before the pandemic corona, in this area there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. They go to the central of Sanur, to the shopping area, because this is very nice place to take a walk or exercise on the sidewalk because a lot of tree here. It's not so hot. But today, you see, it's very quiet, isn't it? There is no one on the sidewalk. Okay guys, we continue driving on Danau Tamblingan Street. You see this area? It looks so busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car and motorbike parking in this area. And as I told you, at the end of this video, I will to show you how the situation at the moment in Sindhu Beach Street, because there is request from a viewer to explore this area. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because I believe there is a lot of people missing this area this time, because it's already almost 2 years this pandemic happening around the world. So Bali very quiet, and they're missing to be back to Bali for sure. You see this area? Look very busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car parking. I think they prepare for international tourism because they're thinking the new rules from our government for quarantine in Bali for international tourism. If you come to Bali, you have to do quarantine for 3 days. So they just prepare the shop, restaurant and everything before the international tourism come to Bali. But for sure, we hope our government will stop the quarantine system to come to Bali, and then there will be lots of tourists from other country come to Bali for sure. As I told you, I'm a tour driver in Bali and I got a lot of customers from other country, but mostly they come from Australia. And a lot of my customers asking me when Bali will be open without quarantine. But yeah, I don't know when our government will make different rules to make easier for visitors who want to come to Bali without quarantine. But I will always update the news from Bali. You see, right side and left side on the sidewalk? Yeah, they're still empty. It means like still not so many tourism come to Bali this time. But I'm really happy because I see some tourists driving on motorbike today, and also they walk around on the sidewalk. I saw that some tourists was there. Restaurant right side, they close. So sad. But if you see the situation at the moment compared with the last month, this month is much better. I mean, like even early on November, there is a lot of car and motorbike parking in this area. I think they really want to prepare wedding for international tourism coming back to Bali. Yeah, it is very hot now. It's around 30 degrees. But I still make a video because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Bali. You see left side? There is some tourists on the sidewalk. And right side, the tourists on bicycle. That's really good actually. If I see the tourists, I'm really happy because I was a tour driver in Bali. And my customer, a lot from other country. Like from Australia, from German, from Netherlands, French, Canada, and all around the world. But I get so sorry because my English now is getting really bad because I not use it my English already 2 years since the pandemic corona. So I get so sorry if I do mistake when I'm speak and when I'm write down on description. Yes, left side there is traditional market in Sanur. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Untitled Street. And now we will explore Sindhu Beach Street. Yeah, we have to turn right at the front to explore Sindhu Beach Street on request. Oh, there is some under construction on the right side. They just make a lot of hole. Maybe they just make for a pipe or a cable. Yeah, this area is very quiet, isn't it? There is a lot of shop still closed in this area. And usually in this area, there is a lot of hotel and some shop. But I see there is a lot of shop still closed. Okay guys, now we're nearby Sindhu Beach. It's around 300 meters from here, there is a Sindhu Beach. But I just want to show you how the situation at the moment in this area, also in Sindhu Beach Hotel, on request. You see at the front, there is the beach. And right side, a Sindhu Beach Hotel. Yeah, some car parking there. That is good. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.